Hey, do you like decorating your house?
Absolutely. I believe furniture plays a crucial role in making a house feel like a home.
I agree. What kind of furniture do you prefer?
Well, I'm a fan of both modern and rustic styles. How about you?
I lean more towards a minimalist approach. I like clean lines and simple designs.
That's interesting. So, what furniture pieces do you consider essential?
For me, a comfortable sofa, a dining table, and a bed are must-haves. What about you?
I think a cozy armchair, a functional desk, and a spacious wardrobe are essentials for me.
Oh, I love having a good armchair too. It's perfect for relaxing with a book.
Absolutely. It's nice to have a dedicated space for relaxation. What about decorative furniture?
I enjoy having a statement piece like an antique cabinet or a unique coffee table. They add character to the space.
I agree. Unique furniture can be a great conversation starter. How do you choose furniture that fits your space?
I consider the size and layout of the room. It's important to have furniture that doesn't overwhelm the space.
True. Proper furniture placement is essential for a harmonious atmosphere. Do you have any favorite furniture stores?
I like exploring local furniture boutiques and online platforms. How about you?
I enjoy visiting flea markets and thrift stores. You never know what hidden gems you might find.
That sounds exciting. It's always fun to stumble upon something unexpected. How often do you update your furniture?
I don't change furniture frequently, but I like to add new pieces occasionally to refresh the look.
Same here. It's nice to give the space a fresh vibe without completely overhauling everything.
Absolutely. Well, it was great discussing furniture and home decor with you.
Thank you. I'll definitely keep an eye out for unique furniture pieces. Creating a cozy and welcoming home is so rewarding.
It truly is. Having a space that reflects your personality and brings comfort is important for our well-being.
Absolutely. I believe our surroundings can greatly impact our mood and overall happiness.
I couldn't agree more. That's why it's crucial to choose furniture that not only looks good but also feels comfortable.
That's a good point. Comfort should never be compromised. After all, we spend a significant amount of time at home.
Definitely. And investing in quality furniture pays off in the long run. It can withstand the test of time and daily use.
That's true. Quality furniture tends to be more durable and can retain its beauty for years.
Plus, it's always a good idea to consider the functionality of the furniture. Pieces that serve multiple purposes can be quite handy.
Absolutely. Furniture with storage compartments or convertible features can be a great space-saving solution.
It's all about finding a balance between aesthetics and practicality. That way, our homes can be both stylish and functional.
Agreed. It's all about personal preference and finding what works best for each individual's lifestyle and needs.
Exactly. Everyone's taste in furniture may vary, but the goal is to create a space that truly feels like home.
Well, this conversation has inspired me to start brainstorming some ideas for my home decor. Thank you for the insightful discussion.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could contribute. Enjoy the process of transforming your space into a cozy haven.
I will, and I hope you find the perfect furniture pieces to complement your home too. Good luck!
Thank you. Take care and have a wonderful time sprucing up your living space.